What is FIO? What is the FIO Protocol? It's an open source project launched in April of 2020 by over 20 blockchain developers. This Layer 3 interoperability solution can be integrated into any crypto wallet, exchange, or any other Web3 application that processes digital assets. The protocol is there to confirm value transactions among a range of FIO-enabled products. FIO's technology and the problem it solves. Generally, the FIO protocol has a few innovative functionalities which help to solve the blockchain interoperability problem. If more and more different blockchains develop, their interoperability will be a crucial part of making Web3 infrastructure work in a convenient way for all. FIO Protocol is there to help solve this problem with its innovative feature of FIO Crypto Handles, FIO Requests, FIO Data, and FIO NFT Signatures. All of them ensure a highly improved and convenient user experience among different blockchains and their products. Before we delve into FIO's native token, its use cases and how-tos, let's move on to the use cases and short tutorials about the protocol.